Hello everyone, it's your girl Cassandra,Olivia, and today I wanted to show you guys a mannequin that I did a few days ago, just freestyling at work on my day off. This was Sunday, so if you notice the background is a little filthy, it's because it took me probably 5 hours to do this color, but I've been dreaming about doing blue hair for like a month and a half now, and every client that's coming to get color has gotten copper, orange, red, every single color besides blue. So we're gonna change that. So I went on Amazon and ordered this mannequin. I'll link it down below. And it's just a regular cheapy little mannequin, and I'm just going to lift this to a nice blonde color. I'm not going to show every little thing on here only because I'm going to post this on my online class, and I want to go in depth with it for the students that want to learn how to do this. But I also wanted to show you guys the process on YouTube as well, so I decided to just post it on here. So as you guys know, in the last hair color video I did with the copper color, the foils I put on backwards. So I definitely had to come in to redeem myself to put the foils on the correct way. So here you see me using the foils properly for once. And yeah, so far so good. So I'm just going to lighten this whole entire mannequin. I did lighten it in two processes. I just went on and used the foils first to lighten the hair as much as possible. And then I rinsed this off and went back in and just hit the roots. So I'm just going to show you guys a couple sections of me lightening this hair using the foils. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once I rinse it out and it's all completed. This process altogether took me about 5 hours, but for this specific process, just to lighten it the first time, it took me about an hour. So I used the lowest volume developer possible, so that way I wasn't going to fry the hair out of the mannequin. So here we have her. She is nice and blonde, honey, and we are getting ready to blow dry her out and add some blues on. Now I'm going to add something down below. I want to see if you guys can guess the colors that I used. I used 3 different colors. So I used a dark blue, a royal blue, and I also used a turquoise. 2 of the colors are by the same brand and 1 is by a different brand that I use in tons of my videos. So I'm going to let you guys try to guess down below. If you guys get it correct, I'll let you know, and I might just pin the correct comment somewhere in the comment section. And here's a little cheat that I like to do because mannequins do tend to stain, and I realized in my last video that I did with the red mannequin, there was red hair color all over the face. I just sprayed this with Got2b glued and let it dry, and I just did 2 layers of that to make sure that if I do get color on the face, I can just wipe it off and it won't stain my mannequin's face. Because I came in on my day off and I was just trying out a couple new products in this video, I just decided to go ahead and freestyle this whole entire hair color. So I had no pattern going in. I wasn't quite sure how I wanted to apply the color. I just did me. And a lot of times whenever I freestyle, the color always comes out bomb. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just working up the side of the head and I'm going to go to the back. I don't think I'm going to show that in this video, but I literally just freestyled this whole thing. And whatever looked cute next to the color before it, I was just doing it. And I used the mesh sheets in between just to make sure my colors don't bleed into each other. So now my color is all applied, and I'm just going to remove the mesh sheets so you guys can kind of get an idea of how the color is going to fall. And baby, when I took these foil sheets out, these mesh sheets, I was just like, yo, this looks so freaking bomb. I was so hyped to rinse this out. Of course, I used freezing cold water just so the colors would not run. But at first glance, I was just like, yes. So I wasn't going to style this, but after I did this braid, I was just like, dang, I have to go all in now. Like, I done came in, let me just throw some curls in this. So I'm gonna press it out. I'm not gonna show you guys that on camera, but now it's pressed out, and I actually took the mannequin outside. It was super windy and cloudy this day, so I just wanted to make sure that I took the mannequin outside so you guys can see the true color. And I'm just gonna run my comb through it a few times, and then I'm gonna go back in towards the end of the video and curl it and just run my comb through it and put it in a cute little high bun, just to show you guys a few ways you can wear it and how the color blends. But oh my God, this blue came out way better than I even imagined in my dreams, guys. I'm in love with this blue turquoise navy blue combination. It is giving me so much life. So yeah, I'm gonna finish running my little comb through. We're gonna come back towards the end when I'm styling. So now I'm just going in with my Babyliss curling iron. I can't remember what size this is, but I want to say it's 1.5 inches, and I'm just curling this mannequin and pinning her up. And then I'm going to go in with my BioSilk Soft Hold Spray and my Shine Spray just to make sure the curls are set. And once I took it out, this was the end result. I, of course, ran my comb through it a million times because I didn't want it to be super grandma tight curly. But this is pretty much the end result, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.